Hey everyone, very casual scam alert here. So I have to protect a few of my toys. Yeah, it seems silly, but I wanted to ceramic coat some of my toys to prevent scratching. And this is not it. I bought this because there's 5,000 people saying this is good. But these 5,000 people don't know how to simply test ceramic. All you have to do is take a drop of that stuff and let it dry out, and it should leave a bunch of ceramic, behind as the carrier evaporates. I've applied real ceramic on two cars now. One was a cheap one. It may have been $10 a bottle. It actually looked like this bottle. It just said 9H. Now this scam is Mr.Fix 10H. So yeah, on a real car, if you're putting that on, it starts to evaporate very quick. You wait for maybe a few minutes, and then you gotta polish it off. And if you don't, you're literally gonna have a bunch of rough ceramic on your car paint. So this showed up, and there was a really interesting warning here. It came in this bag, and this bag has this FCC approval. That FCC approval is for electromagnetic and radio interference. What does that have to do with protecting paint on a car, right? They're basically just trying to convince you with the common labels you see on an iPhone or some sort of electronic product and say this is compliant with that, right? So that's a bit of a I mean, it says automotive coating agent, right? So that's a big warning right there. Anyways, it came in the box, just like the photo, but it looks just like the photograph. But what I did is I did three different tests on this thing. So let me just pan down. I apologize for the heavy breathing. I'll have a microphone uh, extension here. I just poured some on this, card, and I put this in a food dehydrator for 30 minutes, and it just got absorbed by the cardboard. But if it's really dry, which it isn't, it should have left like a white haziness because that would have been the ceramic. But it's oily. It's just not dry. So another one is I just put a bunch of it on this acrylic, and again, food dehydrator for a good 30 minutes. Uh, it's oil. It's I shouldn't touch it. I don't know what it is really, but it never dried. If this was real ceramic, there'd be a bunch of white dry particles, and it would be like sandpaper when it's this thick. But yeah, this is oil. It's just or something. And so I thought I'd even try a more rapid way of dehydrating it. I poured a few drops in here and tried cooking it, even direct flame. Uh, it doesn't evaporate, right? So those are the three ways I can confirm that this isn't a bunch of nanoparticles of glass and the carrier evaporates like it should. This is, I'm pretty sure, just oil of some sort. So it's too good to be true, at least from this place. The store. Now, I'm not saying the store is making a bunch of fake stuff. Maybe they're behind it. I don't know. But you probably want to avoid this listing from ZZ Car Accessor Store. Uh, this That's crazy. 5,000 people times $4. That's a lot of money, but it's not real. So, unfortunately, if anyone can show me or share a link for everyone to buy some real ceramic, but you'd have to test it, make sure you put a drop of it somewhere, let it dry out, and then touch it, see if it's hard, right? So it'd be nice. I don't think I'm gonna, well, it's doubtful I'm gonna waste more money on this because I have a suspicion they're all fake. Okay, well that's it. So another public service warning. Yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you.